Okay, this is almost a new installation for SAP. So what I was trying to do here, I was trying to create a global company. The reason I'm making this video, just wanted to share with you that the transport request number is blank because it's brand new. So wanted to share with you, this is how you you allow the system to create an automatic request number. So you click on this icon here, create request, or F8, and you put a short description. So let's the short description for this one, I would say creating a global company. Okay, so and I click save. There you go. So it created an automatic request number. From there, the system will keep on creating an automatic number. You cannot enter manual here, but you can enter your short description for every single step if in case the reference is needed. Okay, hope this can help. Very good. Thank you.